Ndangia mwajumuri ndonse soberete nigo endete gutwara umorogo muye gusumba sumya nigo nakore nesemesa yitu ya mwana Amayia Chinsa Isano na Ibere rituko ria Jumatano chitariki kianda mutinyu gatatu mwaka 2022 ona iri ribari abene gukwarire nyaro koba mwana injo ikoma irumena ria twagusange kuria kitego kaboniga kurujingongo inye chenze iria nyimo gusongo mo nasugusu ikaba mwana inje ikoma irumanya mwana ayo inyurana abakwenda gutubwatia sensameri mitandao Facebook kutonyora Ndizi TV News waga sensameri ya YouTube na bakotonyora Ndizi TV News na bakoto tweet @Ndizi TV News kerengeri kyao ndikotokere kireta ikagwetera asinamba yira seskini ya urabugo kaba munenchi kuikoma elio ndinkumanyi ayomo na mange bana botambe tetariane Brighton Makori. Tekere vyama vyandete kwirobiri gocha sobo chorio bokebwe vyama ebyo sen party nominations nigo bono abali bakuriye birogo ao imeye county ya Kisii anena sekiama gya ODM banyale bagotwara umusankano audit rero imeya 80 Suza Agriculture Training Center asomoge umuyego yunyara kugero nabo bisabe kiama gya ODM bakorawa nomugabana bwe county ya Kisii James Omalibongwaye kaokwana asomuyego yugo sasa umusankano uyu ngwaye nikabana nyareka kubalira eira bali bonse bakuriye birogo ao weterase kiamekyo ase county ya Kisii kuna obajori obujo korekana senjera yobwasioku amo nobwene na kwatebuna ondeta abangaina buna nachikobaye ticket kusumonto ndebwenzi nachikwe direct ticket ase yekiama ekyo
on your logo letter, whatever, your quality, and things like those, or believe that person at your own head, because I'm still the governor of this county, and I believe I'm not standing for any position. Therefore, I'm patron in a broad sense. I will ensure that we have free and fair elections, and that whoever is supposed to get that ticket will get. I'm a strong member of the party. I can tell you that there isn't anybody from Kisii here who free and fair, because we will be there, Tony will be there, we will be watching. Nobody will pass.
Omorikito niruri mamanyi no ara sensemeyi igona ndate gutwaria ni roboti oru uru ikasenjera yo bikiranu musige koraga ense yamo no chikonyo roboti oru asenjera yo bikiranu ekegera murikito miruri mamanyi no ara sensemeyi kirandate gutubwateria roboti oru igoro ya ODM ase county ya Kisii kirato gusuka bosio maiga yo muraibwenze uru Kenyatta korari bene bona musako mutindo nyara kokoru as chipikipigo sase boda sector nikobono apa boda kurwe county Nyamira banyari bagusange birengeri byabo anene karabate buna machikaro takire kubatiwa kurende mbanyara bakobitererwa mono bose mbanyara bagusugumwa tegatwe nakiyabanda abanyara bagukwana anekara bakorawa nabaraye kurwase county ya Nyamira
ya extend ya yabete kuru Nairobi twanyaigure ne president yakwa nitegocha lakini na intu esale tole mwanya bantu ntuibwete bobe
amachiko aro amachiko namaya tutabete namachiko ntiko nturakoregas otatiga egento kereki yankeringa serikali ya majiko kiya tubekeire tetwarasia patoi
abaiboli nigo bono banyarire bagosemiwe kurinda abana babo chinga keji bale erusa entambe nyorona nigo bona abaiboli abana banyara bakubunge skuru nandi nigo bagochikoba isiko asamatuko amange anene ekero bagochikugura asomutinyonde chitarike 20 na Ibere gakwana nigetaseni Ndizi TV Giradis Magoma oyiboigo ole omobisa bwa EZD ase kitutu chache South nigo bona nyaka gosemia abaiboli bona banyara bakurinda abana babo na kubalea buya asenjera erendonge ayani gagocha maga ya baiboli komachigwa bonekera abana barasichirusa tibari kuya chinga kichabo kurenda abana abo
Ruku Gladys Magoma ondo mwalimu lakini currently ngo colleagues na Kisii County Government mne sub county director wa ICD internet sub county ya Kitutu Chache South Mosocho ngone nyasaye ngambi ya mona siri bagali ya lero na se team ya Ndizi TV ko ngaligani nyare ko rwa basemi goro ya abana baitu na usigetara mna abaibuli na kitobwante kulinda abana baitu abaibuli ntobwate jukumene yo kulinda abana ikiara buna bunya saya atoira samabokaito abana buna bagocha asichinga abaibuli itorosa usira abana baitu torosa gosemi abana baitu turi chinga kumanya abana baitu ngai bakobera abasani babana baitu mbarabi nande mbintu kibago kibakora totige mbweri kunya gusagaria abana gukia sabairi n'abasani n'abakikobera n'abarabu gusakikobera n'abana bo muiriyo biyo muibori omiya amanya n'abana bawo umanye mbwa yabo ekeraga amochano rekanire koromoke kwanyara gwa kumukonya mapema ekeruru musani obene bu mwana o
asichinga gejejo magoma ni gobona ni iria boroki wa ba grasi je komi na kabere amaya anekera bojo chaka matemu abo e wiki ende boigo ni gatebiruna ni gabodi abaiboli gotabaliera abara chira chubolimo ose chira chirina ekero banyari bagweta matemu ni go bagochiko bagorira ebinto awo gobona abatebiruna ikini okikwirira umwana ta ekeratareta na guchikoboria keria nyarite gakorieruira no muiboli yanyara gekoreta ri umwana asenga goso umwana nyara kogeju oni gasemiria abaiboli namba kolichira chia mbakolichira kuchase aborokiwa ao boigo ni gatebiruna ni rebia abana bonsi kubaterana na abaiboli anekero bakodira matemu abo
class tukura matemu tukulia rero nyasaba konye baikashinka bya tukulia rero ni tukulia mambi nabo tukwaliganiri abana ba form byo jaka matemu na barabu wiki yaise nyasaba konye abaseseni ababoterera bakura matemu abo buya nekera abana abakira asenka abaiboli ntoma tina chipikipiki cyakire ntotiga abana baitu basoesa buye chipikipiki baso achipara abandi bache baumia baturetera bokongo yasa ko te abana baitu na matemu agosoka okonyora magisi amaya ninkoire sabali ninkoire Mombasa matemu atasoga tibia bona udisappoint yo mwana anyama chibara asoka litangani kenya saa oseniri ote abana ngambia mono twatanya saa tokonye okoira magisi amaya wontiga toge ntwikaransega tuli noane ndagera amaso buya togoka sobwamo asokona nyasaye ngambia mono
amatemu hakeras 8 gose hakeras 8 niga ikamwerit ko rero asebo go mugwasiri bwije menyara gakora ribuna amatemu ayo niga uchigo soka usawo chigo soku eikie ya makuruboni gego borko bakora amatemu ya standard 8 mugwasiri tukurana nyara gakora ribuna amatemu na chigo soka eiki eikie ya makuruboni kroto guskabusio niga bone kiombe kia baremi ibe mesi kurwa sensemo ye factory gose factory ya mias nigo bakorire egikaro sensemeyo na kubori ya serikali gose kubori ya serikali usabate ni factory kubika mirubiri ya bene erigo sira ekiwanda ekiboigo nigo banyarire bakomocha abana siasa bari bakubeka siasa se factory yo asababuri buna batike kubeka siasa asensa merie Messi kolengana nigo banyarire bagochandika asegeka wekabona
money. Farmers are owed money, workers are owed money. We are very annoyed when politicians go on record and trivialize what we are owed. In fact, let me tell you for free, how can a politician who does not know how somebody was employed in Mumias Sugar come here and say, vacate? These are human beings. They are here by right because they are employees of this company. And that must be respected. We are very, very annoyed.
Sisi wakulima tunasikia mambo mingi ikiongelewa, lakini hata na wengine walileta hapa miwa zao pato tuko na madeni na bado hawajaelezwa ni njia gani ambayo watapata pesa zao ambazo Mias Sugar iko nazo kama moja ya wadeni wa Mias Sugar. Alafu vile vile hatujui ni kama yule mwekezaji ambaye amekuja ajaita wakulima ya kwamba waelimishe njia ambayo watatumia kudevelop miwa ili ya kwamba sisi ambao bado tuko na miwa kwa mashamba tujue njia ambayo tutatumia tukileta miwa zetu.
Mugabana we county ya Kirivi Amason King nigo ritukurigo ranyaritiga gwakirikia makiaegia BA koko asate betebuna nire buya ko sirekia mekyo boigo nigo asegetete abantu bonse kubwatesi abasubati eli na barabukura asense itu ya Kenya gukwana buri tukurigoro yakara abasubati bari gocengera ritukuri abo King niganyarika batebuna nire buya abasubati kubwateraniwa gose kubwataniwa asebyama eli kona kera barabunkonyo bari birugo by'Iburayi meyense ya Kenya nigo moyego yonyarite ko ikeranwa no moseneta obene Moswati Christine Sawadi.
Charged with the responsibility of ensuring gender equality and inclusion of especially the special interest groups who include the women, children, persons with disability, older members of society, minority and marginalized groups in development. We shall continue to advocate for the full inclusion of women and other SIGs in climate change decisions, programs and actions for sustainable tomorrow.
Mwanzo tunataka kulani vikali Na pili, kuambia kina mama tuwe macho, ili mambo kama haya yanapotendeka kule mashinani tupige simu. Leo hii serikali ya county ina namba ya direct toll free ambao hutozi chochote. Ukiona dhuluma ya mtoto wako wa kisichana, ukiona mama anadhulumiwa, kwa haraka piga ile simu na utapata usaidizi.
Akara Kenya baindete kwereno cha sobo chorio bonene ne byama wesona ni asobo mabwake siasa ni bono yara kandebu na obwato bwasimio ra umoja ni boindete konyora gusiguchora maiga yumugavana bwe county ya Meru Kiroit Murungi goswa asekia mekyo na batayabuna ekiama kyaye gya DEB gose Democratic Empowerment Party ni bono gya soira so mabwasimio ra umoja na ndeni go kiko chukumusiro muraiwe kiama kya ODM rero Morodinga asiga gayaye yukudikiro kyo president ya sensi ya Kenya ko murayo gatano wense ya Kenya.
Kapu yake wakati ikihesabiwa kura zetu zionekane huko ikiwa mingi. Si ndio? You cannot claim a part of a government if you have not contributed to that government. So we shall do our best to make sure that our contribution is round and it is hand and it is clear. We have looked at all the candidates, and the only candidate who has been consistent that this resources should be increased, and the one who was the champion when devolution was being created is no other than Raila Amolo Odinga. If there's a president who is going to lift the youth of this country, it is no other than Raila Amolo Odinga. If there's a person who is going to lift the welfare of the women in this country, it is Raila Amolo. Na hata walemavu makarino mnajuana kweli, walemavu wanaweza kusaulika makarina akiwaongoza.
Abasubati bali bagenderete gwetuma na kugendera mirimo ya basensemo ya Kenya gose kokoromokia nigo bono batogiwe na kuburwe no banyare bakugendera kubika umukyo yo eri konyora sabuni yakira lituko ka kwa na buri tukuri goro kero litukurira gucengerera abasubati ensengima umurugi bw'umurai bwense Margaret Kenyatta gose first lady nigo bananyareka batayabuna basubati bali betumire na banyare bakugerense ya Kenya yimukirire igoro boigo nigatugetie byumbe aho biri banyare bigosira abasubati asayibureti binyare bikogendera go support bigenda kugendera gusira musubati eri kwimuka ibirengo by'uchumi asense ya Kenya.
This theme amplifies the barriers that women face and the importance of inclusivity to achieve economic development and social change. It also highlights the inequalities facing women and girls, as well as vulnerable groups as a result of climate change. But it also brings to the fore the role of women and girls as powerful change agents because of their resilience, their courage, and the influential roles they play in their homes, their communities, our country, and the world. I thank the Ministry of Public Service, Gender, Senior Citizens and Special Programs, together with all their partners represented here, for creating this valuable opportunity to help others find their voice and to celebrate the valuable contribution of the many individuals who have steered forward the journey of empowering our women and girls, individuals who have worked tirelessly to eradicate all forms of violence against women and girls. Individuals who have empowered our women and girls, as well as entire communities, in economic empowerment, because we know the nexus between economic capability and eradication of all forms of violence.
Muraiwe kiama ya ODM Raila Odinga hiba igorigeti ko muraibo gatano bensi ya Kenya ningabona nyarika ndabona ense ya Kenya nitakiri gutwara munjuriria manene anene kero chinse chiri cyacagete nense ya Kenya cyakire atua gose cyasukire bosyo na kugenderera ase uchumi nigateberuna nirebuye kukwate siri kwimoke birengo bya uchumi asense ito ya Kenya.
Tukashike hatamu tupigane na adui wetu watatu makubwa, 3 big enemies: ugonjwa, ujinga na umaskini. But 58 years since the independence, those enemies are still there. They're even stronger. Kwa sababu nimesema mpaka tubadilishe mtindo. Tukifuata njia ambayo tumefuata mpaka leo, hata miaka 50 zijazo tutakuwa bado tuko hapa. Nchi ambayo ilikuwa ni rika yetu kimaendeleo, South Korea and Kenya were at the same level of development in 1963. South Korea, in terms of GDP, was equal to Kenya. In terms of per capita income, the same. In terms of literacy, the same. In terms of population, the same. In terms of level of industrialization, the same. In agricultural production, the same. South Korea and Kenya.
Umugwasiri wa defense Eugene Wamarwa nigobona anyaleka kumochomo konyi murai bwenze Dr. William Ruto ase chingwana cha anyaleka kwana chinsemo gusetaro ya isuka sensemo ya United States of America hamo na UK ase Ruto anyaleka kumochenze ya Kenya gusobora ibwenze ya Kenya ubukurawa no murai bwenze urumuye Kenyatta nigobona Eugene anyaleka otebi kagotebi Ruto unorosire ko base serikali tigetiye mirimo iri amaye kwana kurusiko yakeretiye mirimo.
Wakati wa kusema imefika, tuseme tusiseme. Sema. Tutoboe tusitoboe. Leo mimi nataka niambie William Ruto tafadhali. You should do the honorable thing. Hata wale wazungu unawaongelesha ukiona wanacheka, don't think they are laughing with you, they are laughing at you. Wewe hawezi kuwa a deputy president, the second in command, uko in a foreign land abusing your own government. And it's the same government you're still serving. The same government imekulipia hata tiketi ya wewe kwenda huko US na kwenda UK. Na hata padiema wewe ni serikali ya Uhuru bado unakulipia kule Europe. Wewe Ruto kule uliko sasa in the UK, you should emulate Boris Johnson, the Prime Minister wa UK, when he differed with Prime Minister Theresa May on Brexit. He exited government. Yes. Na akasema mimi sikubaliani na serikali hii, sikubaliani na Prime Minister Theresa May. She is weak on the Brexit policy and I'm going to leave this government. Yes. And he exited. And true to his word, when he became Prime Minister, he made sure he realized his Brexit agenda. That is what people do in civilized societies.
Ayuna na kwariania se jinse jiga kuneni ngobuli nyara kwenda kubati merubeli yetu hanena senseme di metandao na boto nyara Ndizi TV News senseme ya Facebook Ndizi TV News boga senseme ya YouTube na bakwenda kutobwatia Ndizi TV News na boto tweet @Ndizi TV News bogo na boto mekengerkia wetera senaba yerese screen ya igora bogo koranya li boga na boto tara wika chobs chito ijigoto kase ensemo ya embassy para nene ya Kisinya koe abono gotonyora samaga cha New Brighton apartment otora telebia sarabia o video raga nikoralia abantu babinyo nyole ose abantu abange babimanye niko mogusini go twakorete Ndizi TV News inde tonyara tukugurarira biasara byawe nabo tutahira cyo bischito igaiga goso akesimi gwetera senamba yera seskin ya igurabu ose ototomero chumbe ya nyinge gwetera senamba yere igurabu kugusabira narako gutwara umubasomuya naranchi ya engia autoerere ukatonyorane ose monyorane na sara nyarangi ontita chikoraga chinsa 10 akumanyi aywa mwana mange unagandete gwataka ime na isko ya gusi tigara twara buriri ubiya iretariane Brighton Makori.
Ndizi TV, Ubwansu.